What's up? Life is a Mission TV. What's up, my people? What's up? As promised, Tony, you know, see it here? Corner vlog, you know? As I say, things are work out how it's supposed to work out, because we plan to do some curry crab. Catch and cook, you know? But we end up not get to go catch no crab, which is the land crab. And we planned it to use some sea crab. But the sea crab, you know, the holiday, the Independence Week, everybody actually I keep seafood first. So you find so we can't get no sea crab. So we decide to continue and do what me I do. So now we get to do the curry crab with people. So we are going to really, where we are going to do it now, we are going to do some roast and dip, as I tell you now. Roast and dip. You understand? Yeah, man. Some roast and dip. So we just stay tuned. Life is a mission, people. And stay tuned to the channel for this. Fish them already scale already. Normally roast and dip, my people, you know, normally scale the fish. And when we are youth, we used to use two special fish to do roast and dip. We used to do a fish named Bang. It come like Sprat. Look like Sprat. And the next fish named Mullet. Two oily fish, full of fish oil. Very good for you. As a man, you eat too good, eat that for 2 days. Mom's a yard have problem. What I say? Mom's a yard have problem because Johnny walk up and down in the house 3 foot. When you eat them type of fish there, Bang and Mullet roast. Yeah, man, if you eat too much of them, man, mom's tired to see your face, man. So we never used to scale and guts them. When we do now, we put them on the fire, roast them. And when them done roast, we just use the hand and peel off the scale. And after we peel off the scale, we just use the finger and open the belly and take out the guts and just dip it. And we now see the dip and all the dip make. Alright? So just stay tuned. As I say, roast and dip. Alright? Stay tuned for that. Nice size of people. You see him? Yeah, man.
That's all I need to do, you know. Cut the chart, you know. Show them all of them people.
That's my salt, my people. Now I have my fish seasoning. It's a night vlog, you know, my people, because sun so hot we can't do them vlog up on the roadside. On a beach side with it. Roadside, not beach side. You understand? So we can't do them vlog here. Can't do them vlog up on the roadside of sun hot. Yeah, my people, so just put on some fish on the grill. So just stay tuned because I know more so I don't know about the roast and dip. The dip part I don't want to know. That's all the interest there, you know. So I want to just stay tuned and I want to see the whole system. Fan fire like country boy, you know? Walk down the city car. Life is a Mission TV. Yeah, put your face in the camera. No, you want to see yourself tomorrow morning. Come on, boss. When people want to see a cut up right now, I have to make the dip.
man, yeah, my father.
Fish this a book out.
Yeah?
Every fish this have name on it. Farmer don't want to take a fish and carry, come and carry more.
My name on this then.
You might can't get piece of that. One of the main ingredients in the dip this, my people. My people, I can't put the camera on because you see the feature there, right here, so. Should I come down so look a bit lower, but now you see the fish. Oh, sorry, this is cucumber. Cucumber, you wanna make out of what? Cucumber. Boy, people, the smell of the fish, me I tell you. Start ring up my nose already, boy. So stay tuned. Life is a mission TV. You understand? I get them and wash off here now. So I want to show you which part we are work from. Because we are showing you we are real ghetto youth, you know. We telling you, you know. I want to make sure you video and see where me and wash off from. Make a safe catch everything there, so. Alright. Just watch my people. Watch real ghetto living. Yeah, my people, so when you hear me step on the main channel and me I tell you say, see my bathing spot there, that's when me in a Corona and water shortage, see there? Right there, so right on the main here, so. So when you hear me on the main channel and me I tell you say, real ghetto living. We no boast, we no show off, we just be with self, no matter, because money can't change it. You understand? Millions of dollars money can't change, we just have to be with self and be who we want to be. We not change to show off and exalt for nobody. Yeah man, see that right here, see me just go a while ago wash off the seasoning there. And that's how we be it. Stay tuned. Sharon, where you there? Where you running to? What me forgot? You don't say you come look on the fish? Why you afraid of camera? Everybody don't see you, we know you. Turn down the fire, my people. Turn down the fire a little bit, you know? Yeah, man. Find out from where you see and where you smell. Tell the people where you see and where you smell. We are just looking, you know, this type of corner vlog, you know?
Okay.
YouTube, you know?
Yeah,
So we are to look for roast fish, you know?
Yeah.
Roast and dip, you know?
And roast planting too?
Yeah, some curry crab should have gone, but with the seaman, them all on the whole I sea crab, because them say them have them seafood cook out for those, so them not sell nothing from the sea this week too tough, but them want to use. So we have to just live with that. Alright. Yeah man. Green scotch pan it pepper my people. Yeah my people, see it. This you call the dip. All them things you see me cut up a while ago, onion, tomato, pepper, and okra, cucumber, yeah. And the vinegar, I'm spiced up with a little salt and a little seasoning, and this I call the dip. Right there, so. Yeah, my people, see it there? We're ready, I know, you know? Yeah, man. And see it there? I see the real chicken man there. I see real man there. Politician them here. See them when you see them? Yeah, politician is a whole this boy them. So now if you know when to talk to them on another road. Them are an extortionist though. Where's it now? You know what? I just the food in their features still, but come show the people when you just dash. Oh yeah, dash it. All that you bone in your things. Check the qualify. Show the people them saying that you bone, you barely dash your bone.
Them can go and be, bro. Him have it.
Yo, that's what that and give me that food and pack. Give me the fork too, man. You know gone yet, you know.
Pick it on and take out the file. No man, on the camera. Man, that's why I make sure I tell you take it off. I mean, know it hot, because fire it come off.
Yeah, man. This guy's
Slime them up.
okay, slime down.
I don't know what you have to park.
Yeah, black.
My people, I want to see me do it at throat pan file and the decent way me I do it. This is not the real dip. It makes for dip, but I throw me at throat. Dip, you're supposed to get your fish and you just come dip your fish. And take out your fish. And if you want to compare the okra and the rare, look my people, watch it. When you see me I tell you, anytime I tell you about roast fish, then we'll put thing here. Moms have problem at home.
Two times slimy night, now slimy I talk about them.
Wow.
Alright, okra slime.
Alright, one of the style.
Okra slime, make it soap.
She's so fuck up. She's not eating anything.
Make it soap while you still away.
Nah, yeah, if she want more than that, she take. She hard feel. No, man, I can't.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This a go on,
Take up that from, put this on, take up the thing.
Thank you.
Take up the woman, man. I didn't go buy something a while ago. Be sure no, I didn't go buy something a while ago.
Yeah, it does like it.
No, you have to see him if they are eat.
Yeah, man, you can't want it on the downtown area.
Yeah, I'm like
People remember night and a street light today, so you know, I get little darkness. But see him there? Yeah, man, see him there? Watch, look at that file done. Right now, some shark we should have. We man I eat same way. But next week we get some bigger fish. So the vlog will continue next week, man. No worry, man. Next week we'll get some bigger size fish. Yeah.
One upon a live.
1 minute later, we come back next week. Banga. Next week, them time. Monday next week, them time.
Yeah, we have to put something towards it next week.
Next week, Monday, them time.
We
Banga.
have it hotter next week.
Only for fish. And this week, next week, we now roast the fish.
That is it.
We have filed fish, seasoned fish, coconut milk in our fish. So next week, yeah. No, no far. Like the big human part. And come back right here, saying at the camera.
The fish slapper.
When you throw in the pan grill, you know, you be high, you know, you can eat too good, you know, the fish there. Walk, one down to the house, Paul, can up with you. Man, remember, I tell you that. But you see, the mullet, hard to catch. You see them fish there, river most of them there now.
Proper roast, proper soap. Let me tell you, season turn up. No one there, no miss it.
You know why the video so dark? People, you know why the video so dark? I end up using the front camera and the back camera I should have used. But I saw it go. We can't do nothing again. The video done gone far already. I know I still see little things where I go on. Yeah, see it there? See it there? Everything shell off on the grill. I might want that over there, so I still have to go bust it car. See a man that come drape me up a while ago. See him there? Because I'm saying my sheriff of the town. You understand? I'm named Banga Kid, the sheriff, so he come drape me up. So I have to go bust my one over there so and give him a piece of fight no matter what.
Fish bad, man, I like. Bad, you.
Bad. And see the next man there from before the fish them go on, him sit down and wait.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Speak my mind. Baddest fish around.
Life is a mission.
Life is a mission. You pull up, Life is a mission. Big up yourself. Nice fish around. They call that one. Steam dip.
Roast and dip.
Roast and dip.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
See there? Right on the main. You know? Street side how we base. Base. We don't have nowhere to go.
1.5 time for talk because I'm going to feed.
See that street side, upon big pretty house on our back. Next week you're going to see it good when I back camera use. Don't worry. I know that man ain't saying nothing yet to my people. See him there? Roast and dip him just in a roast and dip, so we are going to finish up where I go on and our people. As I say, I end up using back camera, the front camera when I back camera I should use. But what's up? Busy! I finished. See, Sheriff, I talk to you now, because I'm cutting the last part.
Yeah, man. The best for the last, man. You understand me?
The man are killing me talking to my people.
You're wasting that for the shift, man. You understand me? Yeah. So who come and eat early? Them get to the fish on the roast. You understand me? When the fish steam and put on, yeah. I soaking it, yeah. I say, "Can you come on my yard and come in and say, don't man."
And you let them get free money, so wicked.
Yeah, man. See, I think that this can go on, I'm going to get involved, man. You understand me? So, you know, so next week, going on, man. Go see one at dinner table, man, and things come to me, man. You understand me? Yeah, man. Like this, them man, I'm going to slump and talk, man. I'm going to table by myself. You understand me? Go for a stand next week.
You want to steal come over now. You still want plant this again?
Yep, there's the place there, man.
Watch out.
Jim! Yo! From the top down, give me the cookies. We don't need car. They are real by you.
Yeah, my people, sir. We are close off, you know. You don't know, Life is a Mission TV, family-oriented channel. This is what we are here for. You understand? Some cook vlog, you know, entertainment, drama. You know, so when I drama man, I'm my sheriff. I want the biggest drama man this. But so the man I give the clean type of drama, and I like the drunken man where you see I get drama. The 60-year-old man. You understand me, some people? Yeah, them man I get clean drama. So, as me I say to you, know, commentary, drama, entertainment, anything. I over here say there. Clean, family-oriented channel. Life is a Mission TV. Next week, them claim to say bigger and better. Enough time I just start them talking. So when all this goes, you know, and the man goes so boom, bam, and them taste off his taste. Him say, watch out, 2, 3 out of 20 man we talk, come forward and the next 17 when you're ready, you know, see them. That's why it go from day one anyway. From me I grew, that's why it go when you go run boat. You understand me, people? So, as I say, just continue to like, share and subscribe, you know, to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You understand? Just hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Don't know it, go. Share the video. I'm come to the end of the video you know with people. Oh, probably don't want to see me taste my fish first. So, hold on, me sort out, because most time I cook, I never get time to taste on the camera phone and see. So, stay tuned. Alright, my people, see it here? My time. It's not a man where fancy the cucumber. I used to love it when me a boy. I mix it every weekend and backla 10 backla and drink it like water. And the 10 or 10 backla that don't serve me no time. I'm tell you about good backla. But since I grew up and becomes adult, it don't agree with me at all. Take long to digest it, so I can't eat it. So, you know, fish I know. Not far, not at all. No, not there. We just go to Canada.
Are you? We are here.
Yeah. Roast fish. I remember you up on the block here. Just remember you up on the block. Are you walking out? Are you a true man? What are you afraid of? Yes, my people. See that? Really get to live in and eat.
I can't get nothing for eat.
You can do some man. You can just sit down here. 15 minutes and say. No, don't tell you that already, man. It's a Monday again, but we have to get in the fish them from probably Thursday when first I go what's up. First buy more 15 pounds of fish.
Mouthpiece! Be a mouth
Yeah, my first buy more 15 pounds of fish, so we have fish in abundance instead of we are buying fish on a pound fish. Yes, my people, so you see me? Alright, so see that? Yeah. Dip and roast. Roast and dip. Back with me all the time. The way fish nice me all the time. Back with my people. Roast and dip. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah man. So
Yeah man, right back
as me
front,
say,
yeah?
just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. You understand? See it again? My fish are sharing a 4. That's why next week we have to go have surplus fish pan grill. So when a man pop up him can get a fish.
Yeah man, yo. Fish
Yeah,
are
son?
one man, yeah man. Yeah, tell you. Ready, roast our?
Dip and roast and dip.
Roast and dip, not too bad. I like it. Yeah, bigger piece more than my friend.
So
People.
come to the end of the video, you know.
No, you can't done it.
You understand?
Can't go make done it.
I could hear what I say now.
2 more man tell them I can try base.
But not nice today. I put fish at the pan grill, not nice
Well
today.
done.
So,
Everything
people,
done.
come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.